We now find ourselves in Istanbul. We got an F8, we got a Pista, and a 458 that's on the way, and possibly a whole lot more fun stuff. ECU is coming out of the Pista, it's about to come out of the F8. We're gonna go, patch them, and then get to testing.
Both Ferrari ECUs.
Yeah, we're not gonna mix these up. This is the Pista, this is the F8. They look identical, but they don't cross-pollinate.
Cross-pollinate.
They are not hot swappable. Go f yourself, Mike.
Stars aligned. Now we have my new exhaust. No valves in it, so gonna be a little louder, a little crisper. I did have the other one with the valves. Supposed to get this next week, but the Santa delivered.
I can't wait to hear the difference. Not only is it faster, but it sounds way better.
It's really fast, bro. It's kind of scary now.
Oh man.
Like, I wouldn't trust most of my friends with this thing, especially in ESC off or CT off, because now it's really fast.
And you have amazing roads.
Most people don't know about them, like foreigners, but we have really nice roads.
Ben 45 kiloyum, 27 dedi, 25 şey yok ya abi.
How much lighter is that new one?
It's almost the same.
What do you think about how it looks?
I don't give a shit how it looks. How it performs is important. The stock system is 2 straight pipes with a small muffler that's H'd in. The Novatec system is fancy and it's Inconel and it's heat shielded and quite frankly is a very nice item. But the most important thing is the X crossover. So we're gonna get some nice, extra octave of pitch out of it. It's gonna sound like a Ferrari should, we hope.
You think it's gonna be much louder?
It's not gonna be louder. You actually lose a couple decibels in total sound volume from the crossover, but the X cleans up the harmonics, equalizes the exhaust pulses from bank to bank, so you end up with something that's cleaner, doesn't drone so much when the flaps are open. Obviously, that's a non-valved system, so the flaps aren't an option, so it does need to be nice at all RPM ranges and all load conditions. New X pipe is done on the Pista. That's about to come off. We're going to continue testing that. And in the meantime, we're gonna go jump into 458. We just spiced it up a little bit, played around with the pops, a little bit more ignition, take as much advantage as we can of the 95 octane that we've got here. It doesn't actually look so bad. Conditions in Turkey are very good, so car's gonna run nice.
Right when we were finished, started raining.
A status update. God is pissing on us right now. So yesterday, 2 guys in the Pista testing on 95 octane Turkish fuel. The car is running 4.2, 100 to 200, spinning on PS4Ss. So today, Again, we still have the PS4Ss, but we're going to play around with a little bit more fancy jungle juice, throw some ethanol in the tank, see if we can get the car really quick. If it hooks, again, the sun is shining, it's not wet, we should hook, but we're going to make another 100 wheel horsepower today. So I think we're going to blow the tires off and not go anywhere. He seems to think that we're going to get 4Ss to hook, but we'll see. I think that this may or may not be the quickest pista the world has ever seen. We're Ferrari maxing right now.
Thanks to these guys, of course.
Yes, big shout out to these guys. They're the ones hitting things with hammers. So, we got a lot of fun, very explosive jungle juice. Torco 108 unleaded, a little bit of M1. We're gonna go make our favorite cocktail, throw that in the pista, test the big power maps, and arrive at our final mixture so that this fuel that they have here, typically I run 109, but these guys got Torco 108. We're gonna go figure out what we need to do, this place, this car, make it very nice, and then that's how he's gonna run it from now on.
Tires are spinning. Can't hook up. It's gonna rip, huh? Feels fast, yes. Feels really fast.
That's how the logs look.
Car doesn't hook with a but it is quite powerful. What are the tire pressures at?
So 42 PSI in the back, 39 in the front.
My brother, we're going down to 26. We're gonna drop the tire pressure, see if we can get some traction, and I'm gonna throw all the bullshit that the laptop has to offer at it.
Bro, you guys are quick as
Yeah.
insane.
So we're gonna lower the tire pressures, more wastegate duty cycle, throw some race gas in it, and see what it does.
And of course, gas station run.
I found a Kit Kat and an espresso.
This is the most important.
Is what the company runs on.
100%.
Direct your attention to the cluster, ladies and gentlemen, because we have yet another map switch car. Hold the cruise control to the left, 5 seconds. You're gonna see the engine light starts blinking once, and now to the right, we can cycle through our 4 maps. So 1 is gonna be stock, 2 is your 95 tune, 3 is 95 plus some bullshit, and 4 is 95 with all the bullshit. Now, flick it again to the left, engine light blinks twice. That denotes our fireworks menu. So we've got 4 different levels, everything off. We've got some soft and long pops, short and hard. All jokes in the comments section, please. And burn your rear bumper down. So we're gonna put it on short and hard, like myself. And to the left, one more time, this is gonna be your custom coated exhaust flap switch. Ferrari do not come with an exhaust flap button. This is very useful for you guys with valved exhaust. 0 is your stock logic based on throttle pedal and load. 1 is going to be always closed, and 2 is going to be always open. We're going to leave it in 2 since this is a good sounding car. Now, once more to the left, menu 4 denoted 4 blinks of the engine light, and you have binary 0 and 1, switchable cold start. So 0 is where you're going to run it most of the time, cold start off since the car is catless, and 1 is for starting it loud and annoying Karen. Engine light goes normal. Tachometer is normal function, start the car. This does work with engine on and off. So, very nice. I like it very much. Good night. Now we're gonna move some cars, get that guy out of here, pull the F8 out, go test it, wrap up the big power maps, make sure that they are all just so.
You have to duck to get out of there, huh?
Yeah, not often, because I'm,
Wait, can we just take a second? Appreciate those asses. What's the update on this?
The F8,
Yes.
it's done. We did the map switch and we did the draggy. Car's really fast now.
Bro, when you guys were passing us yesterday, it was insane.
All right, boys, that's a wrap for Turkey. Pista done, F8 done, 458's already departed. Now we got a flight to catch, get back to I don't even know where, but some more coming very soon. Good night.